Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Danny, a digital planner enthusiast and also an illustrator, and today I'm going to plan with you my March in my digital planner. It's a perfect time to welcome spring and leave winter behind. So let's take it easy and get started. Here is my blank calendar. It's so refreshing and calming to see a new month full of possibilities. Now, I want to share with you the stickers I made last year. They are full of cute little plants, each one designed to evoke that beautiful vibe of tranquility and freshness. I think these stickers will add a special touch to my planning. You can see the details that each one has that give it its own personality. I am going to choose this gardener sticker to inspire my color palette. Having a palette on hand helps me keep my calendar in harmony. To do this, I copy the sticker onto my calendar page, and I use the color drop tool to select the colors I want, and I add them to my pre-selected colors in the pen tool. Here it is. The colors are soft but vibrant, and that's how I hope my calendar will feel when we're done. Now, it's time to add the title of the month. I am going to write March in the light green shade. I want to give the title a shadow effect. I'll use a lighter color for the bottom layer and a darker color for the top title, leaving it slightly misaligned so that it gives the shadow effect I want. Next, I decorate the title with two cute hanging plants, one on each side. Next, I'll create the labels for the days of the week. For these, I use the tape tool in different colors, and I put the titles of the days on top. And sometimes I add a decorative detail to make it look cuter. For the weekdays, I choose a darker color, and for the weekends, a lighter shade, so that it's easier to see and to differentiate the days. Now, I continue with the important dates of the month, including mainly medical appointments that I have and some birthdays of friends and family. To finish this part, I decorate with the stickers, carefully placing them here and there to finish giving life to the calendar. This process is very relaxing and meditative. Look at this! The bottom part looks like a washi tape. I really like how it turned out. It will be a great idea to create a washi tape similar to the one I designed at the bottom of my calendar. And this is how my main calendar for the month of March looks like. Now, in this second part, I want to share with you my plans for my YouTube channel, social media, and my business this month of March. As I mentioned before, I have been a little away from social media for personal reasons, which I hope to be able to share with you later on this month. But for now, I am ready to get back to it with a lot of dedication, but taking one day at a time. First, I'm going to review my goals for this quarter of the year. One of them is related to my business and my YouTube channel, and it is to publish 2 videos per month. But since I couldn't do that in February, I'm determined to publish 3 videos in March. I'm going to add the tentative dates of the days I want to publish videos for my YouTube channel. Obviously, the first video will be this one we're creating together today. For the second and third video, I'm not completely sure about the topic yet. But I have several ideas in mind that I'm going to write down at the bottom of my calendar. That way, I'll have everything at hand to choose. The topics I have in mind are reviewing my month of March, where I show you how I create my memory board at the end of the month, how I create a digital sticker page, how I create my coloring pages, and lastly, printing a tote bag in DTF versus sublimation, and which one is better. If you find any of these ideas interesting and would like me to record them, leave me a comment below and tell me which one you like the best. At the top, I'm going to write down my plan for social media and my business. It won't be anything complicated, just something basic to guide me on a day-to-day basis. My plan is to post 2 weekly reels and a post or a carousel on my Instagram account, and to look into creating a new simple product this new month. I decided to use a digital sticker that I haven't used before to mark the tentative days I want to post reels on my social media. It's important to keep the creativity flowing, but also to be aware of my limits. And with a full-time job, I don't always have enough time to be posting a video or adding a post every day on my accounts. One of the things I really like about my digital planner is that I can move my tasks around without needing to cross anything off, and adjust my calendar according to my needs. There are days when I can get more done, and others when, well, unplanned events come up and tasks have to be postponed. This month, I also plan to create a new product, as I mentioned before. Either a new digital sticker page or some coloring pages that you can print at home and enjoy. I'm excited to decide what to do. Would you like to see the process of how I create one of these two new products? If you want to join me in this process and see how I develop it, I invite you to follow my channel so you don't miss any details. And finally, here is how my second calendar for the month of March turned out. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you like it, please give it a like below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!